In this video, I will guide you through how can you fix two-step verification code is not sending from Roblox to your email. Watch the full video and fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you're not receiving the code, first make sure you are checking in the right email. Then go to Roblox app info. Then tap on storage. From here, tap on clear data. Now go back and tap on force stop option. Now restart your device. After restart your device, open Play Store and search for Roblox. Update Roblox from here if there any update available. The problem should be fixed now. You can now log in your Roblox account without any problem. When checking your email for the code, check spam folder also. That's how you can fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.